How to save items to wishlist on Amazon. Want to save something for later? This guide shows you how to save items to your wishlist on Amazon so you can buy them later. First, find the product that you want to save to your wishlist. Tap on the product to go to this page. You'll see a lot of information about the product, and you'll see a few options on the Add to Cart button. Look for the Add to List or Add to Wishlist option and tap on it. A menu will appear asking you to choose the list that you want to save the item to. You can also create a new list. Once you've selected the list, the item will be saved to your wish list. The heart button represents your wish list right here. You can browse it just like this. You can access your wish list from the lists option in the main menu. Here, you'll see all the items that you saved. You can also share your wish list to your friends' family. It's a great way to save items for later. You now know how to save items to your wishlist on Amazon. Get ready to save items for later. Like and subscribe for more app tips.